Hey guys, I hope you're well. I've been chased out of my ham shack by the noise of the dryer. Blitz style videos. Oh yeah, I want to show you some. Hang on. Now see, the main reason I'm making this video is I've got a kick-ass electric guitarist. I want to borrow, we'll call it, some of her content for an outro. Excuse me, how rude of me. The subject of today's video is engineering, examples in success and failure. This is an example of engineering failure. A cheap Walmart trouble light, right? That's what we used to call them back in the 70s. Anyway, man, I'm serious here. This is a piece of engineering failure, and it would have cost them nothing extra to make it a wonderful device. Well, maybe a little extra. The reason I say that, look at the back of this light. Now, I've got a bunch of duct tape slapped on it because I was desperate, but a lot of light even got through the duct tape. That housing was brilliant yellow and quite surprisingly transparent to light. And man, if you were working on something with a light like this, you were utterly blinded with a brilliant yellow, laser beam to the eyes, man. And the front was the same. Obviously, it was just yellow plastic, and your light that you worked with up under was bright yellow. You know, what did I do? I took a can of silver spray paint. It's not silver. It might be. It's chrome spray paint. I just had it on hand. And I didn't even bother to take the duct tape off the back. Who cares, man? I painted the little plastic light bulb guard, torch guard? What would a British person call that device? A light bulb? A torch? I think a torch is typically a flashlight. Yeah. Anyway, man, so I hit that up with some of that silvery chrome paint, and here, I'm going to click it on. Not only am I happy to report that no light gets through that back, it did before, even through the duct tape. And look at the light it's casting. It's not brilliant yellow, it's bright ass white with that's an LED bulb. I'm not even going to turn it toward you because it'll just blind you. Right? How much would it have cost to make that plastic completely opaque to light in black? Just use black plastic, man. That's all you had to do. Hang on. Baby boy's been sitting there watching me make a video instead of playing out in the freezing cold. Hang on. Okay, guys. Do you see it? It's pretty obvious. No, I'm not kidding now. I'm dead serious. Let me rephrase that. I'm very, very serious. I really mean this. That is a pot and pan scraper. It's a little piece of plastic. That is perfectly engineered. You have a slight depression for the thumb, helps you keep a grip. Although I've never noticed that until I saw that in my camera just now. It's firm enough that it doesn't flex. Really, I got to put a lot of pressure on it. It has 4 different radius corners for different pans and pots. It's perfect engineering. It's a perfect scraper. It cannot be improved upon. It probably cost, who knows, man, probably from the dollar store, because Nancy, my sister, gave it to me. I'd pay, having used this, it'll never wear out, man. I'll die before this wears out, literally. Having used it, I'd gladly pay $20. Would I pay a 20 spot for the only pot scraper I'll ever need the rest of my life, and one that works just perfectly? Would you? Okay. Check the, ooh, that was kind of raw. I've got to edit this anyway, because I thought you were paused and you weren't at one point. Check out this young woman. Rock her ass off. Thanks for visiting the town dump, guys. My little corner of the YouTube. My little landfill. And being me, being serious for a minute if I must. Thanks for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. And I'm going to try to pull you off the tripod so that I can give a proper send off from baby boy. Bye, Blitzy. Say bye-bye. Yeah, he's not playing. He's mopey. Did some reading online, man. Australian Shepherds are just incredibly emotive dogs and emotional dogs. And double coat of fur. Ooh, he got huge. Kind of scary, man. 73.